Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you how to do this granny square. It looks hard and it has a lot of steps. You see all the shifts both here and then the small ones here. But don't worry, I will show you the whole process from start to finish. I will begin from the center and work my way out and show you every step of the way. But if you think this is going too fast, you can always slow down the video, the speed of the video in the settings below. And you can also speed it up if you think this is going too slowly. For the yarn, I have used a DK weight and then I've used a 4.5mm hook. If you love granny squares as much as I do, then jump into my playlist of granny squares where I'm working on doing every granny square in the world. So let's begin. First we make a slip knot and then we chain 4. So yarn over, pull through 4 times. The first 3 chains counts as the first double crochet, and then we want to do another double crochet into this chain, this first chain we did. So yarn over, insert the hook into this first chain and finish your double crochet. And then we have what counts as 2 double crochet. Then we want to make another double crochet into this same little loop. So yarn over, insert the hook and finish your double crochet. And now we have 3 double crochet. We continue doing double crochet into this little loop until we have 16 double crochet, counting this one from the beginning. So now we have 4. Continue until you have 16 in total. When you have 16 stitches, you finish with a slip stitch in the top chain over here. So insert the hook and slip stitch. Then you cut the yarn and pull the loop through and leave that for now. Throw away this old color and then grab your new one, which is a white one for me. Then attach the yarn someplace else. And tie a knot. Insert the hook in the same stitch, pull up a loop and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which counts as the first double crochet and a chain. Then do a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1 and double crochet in the next stitch. And chain 1, double crochet in the next. And you'll continue doing this all the way around. So just continue with a double crochet, then chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, all the way around. When I'm all the way around, I have 16 double crochets. Then I will finish with a slip stitch in the top chain. So you count 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the third chain, you'll do a slip stitch. Insert the hook and slip stitch. Then break the yarn. Pull the loop through. And then we begin the next color, which will be the yellow one for me. Grab your hook, insert it in one of these chain spaces, and attach the yarn with a knot. Then pull up a loop and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now these 3 chains counts as the first double crochet. Then do another 2 double crochet into this same chain space. So yarn over and insert the hook in the same chain space and double crochet. And again, yarn over, insert the hook in the same space and do another double crochet. So now you have a cluster of 3 double crochet into this same chain space. Move on to the next chain space and do another 3 double crochet. So just yarn over, go directly into the next gap and do a double crochet. And continue with another 2 double crochet in the same space. So that's 2 and then just another one. So you have 3 double crochet in this next chain space. Continue all the way around with 3 double crochet in each of these chain spaces. At the end of the round, we will finish with a slip stitch in the top chain where we started. Then we break the yarn, pull through, and then find the next color, which is a green one for me. Then we will find one of these spaces in between the clusters, insert the hook and attach the yarn with a little knot. Like so. And then insert the hook, pull up a loop and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 4 chains. Then you will skip all these 3 and then do a single crochet into this next space over here. So just insert the hook into this space and single crochet. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Find your next space after this cluster of 3. So just insert the hook into this next space in between the clusters and single crochet. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Find your next little space, insert the hook and single crochet. So now we have 3 of these chains. Now we want to create our first corner. So chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then do a single crochet into the next space. So that's a corner right here. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Do a single crochet into the next space. Then chain 3. And a single crochet in the next space. Chain 3. And then a single crochet in the next space. And then we have 3 again. So we have this corner where we did 5. Then we have 3 where we chain 3. Then we want to do our next corner. So you chain 5. That's 3, 4, 5. Then a single crochet in the next space. And that's the way you will continue all the way around. So 3 of these chain 3s and then 1 where you chain 5. Then you will continue with chain 3, then a single crochet 3 times, then a corner, and then we will meet up over here. Now I'm almost at the end. I only have the final corner left to do. So a chain 5, 3, 4, 5. And then I join with a slip stitch in this first chain I did all the way down here. So just insert the hook and slip stitch. That is a little bit tough. And then I break the yarn, pull through, and then we have this square. So I will grab the orange color again, just like in the middle, and then I will attach it in one of the corner spaces. You can pick either one of them, and you will again fasten with a little knot. And then insert the hook, pick up a loop, and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you do 4 double crochets. So this chain 3 counts as the first double crochet, and then you will do another 4 into this same corner space. So just yarn over and do another 4 double crochet. So that's 1. So now you have 5 double crochet in total. Now I will just push them or pull them a bit together, because we will now do 2 chains. 1, 2, and then we will do another 5 double crochet into the same corner space. So just yarn over, insert the hook in the same corner space, and then do another 5 double crochet. So now we have the first corner already. Now we move on to the next one. This chain space right here, we will do 3 double crochet into this. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space, and double crochet. And then do another 2 double crochet in the same space. So you have 3 in total. And then move on to the next chain space and do 3 double crochet. Then do 3 double crochet in the next one as well. So now we made it from the one corner to the next. Now we want to repeat what we did down here. We want to do 5 double crochet, then chain 2, and then 5 double crochet. So just yarn over, insert the hook in the corner space, and then do 5 double crochet. Pull them a bit together, then chain 2, and do another 5 double crochet in the space. Then you'll just continue all the way around. Finish your corner right here with 5 double crochet. Then in these 3 regular chains, you will do 3 double crochet in each one. And then you make it to the next corner down here, where you do this, where you do 5 double crochet, then chain 2, then 5 double crochet. Just repeat this all the way around. And when I'm at the end, I will join with a slip stitch in the top chain. Then I break the yarn, pull the loop through, and then for the final round, I will use this green color as I did with the spikes right here. I will just attach the yarn in any of the stitches in the round. Just pick either one and connect with a little knot. Like so. Then insert the hook, pull up a loop and chain 3. And these 3 chains counts as the first double crochet. Then do a double crochet in the next stitch. And a double crochet in the next stitch. And just continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch. No gaps in between, just regular plain double crochet in each stitch all the way to the corner. And at the corner you will do 1 double crochet into this space. Then you will chain 2, 1, 2, and then do another double crochet in the same space. and then you'll continue with 1 double crochet along the edge, 1 double crochet in each stitch. Then you will repeat the same thing in the corner down here. Just do 1 double crochet, then chain 2 and another double crochet, and continue all the way along the other side with 1 double crochet in each stitch, and we will meet up over here. And when you're all the way around, you join with a slip stitch in the top chain. Then we break the yarn, pull the loop through, and yay, we did it! That's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!